Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Bentley Bentayga versus the Bentley Continental GT. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which luxury vehicle best suits your lifestyle. The Bentayga offers a commanding presence and practical utility, while the Continental GT focuses on exhilarating performance and sophisticated style. Let's dive into what makes each of these Bentleys unique and discover their core differences. When it comes to performance, both Bentleys deliver but with different approaches. The Bentayga, as an SUV, offers a smooth, elevated ride, perfect for long journeys or navigating diverse terrains. Its powerful engines provide robust acceleration. The Continental GT, however, is engineered for a more engaging driving experience, feeling more connected to the road with its sleek, aerodynamic design. It truly excels in spirited driving. Inside, both vehicles are a masterclass in luxury. The Bentayga shines in practicality, offering seating for up to 7 and substantial cargo capacity, making it perfect for daily errands or extended trips with luggage. The Continental GT, while still incredibly comfortable, focuses on a 2+2 seating arrangement, creating a more driver-centric and opulent environment. Both showcase Bentley's commitment to unparalleled craftsmanship and cutting-edge features. Ultimately, choosing between the Bentayga and Continental GT depends on your lifestyle. If you need space, versatility, and a commanding view of the road, the Bentayga is an excellent choice. If you prioritize a thrilling driving experience, sleek aesthetics, and a more personal luxury statement, the Continental GT is likely for you. Both represent the pinnacle of automotive luxury, offering distinct advantages. And for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.